Are you looking for the best mini drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo is an ultra-lightweight, palm-sized drone designed for effortless aerial photography. Weighing just 135 g, it boasts a 4K UHD camera with a half-CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stabilized video at 30 frames per second and 12 MP stills. Its compact design includes full-coverage propeller guards, ensuring safe indoor and outdoor flights. The Neo offers multiple control options. It can take off and land directly from your palm without a remote, or be piloted using voice commands via the DJI Fly app, or with DJI's RC-N3, RC-N2, or RC2 smart controllers. Advanced features like AI subject tracking, quick shots, and multiple intelligent flight modes make it ideal for creating dynamic vlogs and selfies. With a 10 km transmission range, FCC, and 10 GB internal storage, the DJI Neo combines portability with powerful performance for content creators on the go. Number 2. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. The Holy Stone HS210 is a compact and beginner-friendly mini drone designed for indoor fun. Weighing just 50 grams, it features auto-hovering, 3D flips, and headless mode, making it ideal for kids and novices. The drone comes with 3 batteries, each providing approximately 7 minutes of flight time, totaling up to 21 minutes of aerial enjoyment. Its propeller guards ensure safety during flights, and the 3-speed modes allow users to adjust the drone's responsiveness as they gain confidence. With its lightweight design, it's suitable for indoor use, making it a great gift for boys and girls looking to explore the world of drones. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, DJI RC, is a compact and feature-rich drone tailored for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 g, it offers a lightweight design that often exempts it from FAA registration requirements. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 3 captures 4K HDR video and 12 MP stills, ensuring vibrant and detailed imagery even in low-light conditions. Its innovative gimbal design allows for true vertical shooting, making it ideal for social media content creation. The drone boasts an impressive 10 km, 32,800 feet, video transmission range, ensuring a stable connection over long distances. With the included 3 intelligent flight batteries, users can enjoy up to 114 minutes of total flight time. Additional features include quick shots, auto return to home, and GPS-based navigation, enhancing the overall flying experience. The package also comes with a DJI RC controller, which features a built-in screen for a seamless and immersive piloting experience. This combination of portability, advanced features, and user-friendly controls makes the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo an excellent choice for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Number 4. Ruko F11 Mini Drone. The Ruko F11 Mini is a compact and beginner-friendly drone designed for both new pilots and casual aerial photography enthusiasts. Weighing under 249 g, it offers a 4K UHD camera capable of capturing high-resolution photos and smooth 2.7K per 25 frames per second videos. The drone features a foldable design, making it portable and easy to store. With 2,100 mAh batteries, users can enjoy up to 60 minutes of total flight time. Equipped with a brushless motor, it ensures stable flight performance. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi transmission allows for real-time video streaming up to approximately 1,640 feet away. Intelligent flight modes such as GPS auto return, follow me, and waypoint navigation enhance the flying experience. The drone's optical flow positioning system aids in stable hovering, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Overall, the Ruko F11 Mini offers a balance of performance and affordability, making it a solid choice for those looking to explore drone flying without a significant investment. Number 5. Veeniix V11 PRO Drone. The Veeniix V11 PRO is a high-performance drone designed for adults and professional hobbyists, featuring an 8K camera with a half-CMOS sensor capable of recording 4K per 30 frames per second video. Stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization (EIS), it ensures smooth and sharp aerial footage. The drone offers a 6 kilometers, approximately 19,685 feet, video transmission range and comes with 2 batteries, providing a total of 80 minutes of flight time. Additional features include GPS auto return, a time of flight (TOF) sensor for stable hovering and landing, and a foldable design for portability. Lightweight and user-friendly, the V11 PRO is suitable for both indoor and outdoor flights, making it an excellent choice for beginners and enthusiasts looking for professional-grade drone capabilities.